Okay, so if we could do addition of irrational expressions, now we have to do subtraction. If you recall from arithmetic, all the subtract means to do is add the opposite. If you go back to arithmetic and I write the expression 7 minus negative 3, what that really means is I have starting with 7, and I'm really going to add the opposite of negative 3, which is positive 3. So 7 minus negative 3 gets rewritten as addition as 7 plus positive 3, which we know is 10. Well, if that's the rule in arithmetic, it's the rule in algebra. And we've been doing that all along. Every time we subtract, what we really do is change the signs of any terms behind the subtraction symbol. We make them the opposite, which we call the additive inverse. So I do not have a song for subtracting fractions, because what we're going to do is we're never really subtracting. We're always rewriting subtraction as addition by taking whatever terms are behind the subtraction symbol and making them the additive inverse. And once we make an addition, then we can sing. Adding fractions easy as can be, all we need is an LCD. Write the bottom, collect the top, reduce the fraction, then you stop. So look at my example from arithmetic. 5/8 minus 3/8. The first thing you're going to do is rewrite that statement. We are never subtracting. We are always adding the opposite. So we're going to change the subtraction symbol to addition. So the first fraction stays the same. It stays 5/8. What we're doing is we're really going to add the opposite, which would be negative 3/8. So you see how that negative floated to the numerator now? So that expression really is 5/8 minus 3/8 really means 5/8 plus a negative 3/8. And now I can follow my song because now I'm connected by addition. So once I'm connected my two fractions by addition, I make sure I have an LCD, which I do is 8. I write my bottom 8, I collect my top. 5 plus negative 3, because the signs are opposite, I would subtract, I would get positive 2. So now I have positive 2/8. Positive 2/8 has to be divided. The greatest common factor of 2 and 8 is 2, so I divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, and I get 1/4. So the moral of the story is, just like we talked about, there's no such thing as division in fraction land. Division got changed to multiplication, equal operations. There is no such thing as subtraction in fraction land. Subtraction gets changed to addition by adding the opposite, the additive inverse. All right, let's rock and roll on the whiteboard with some examples.